Hi, my name is Rich, and I'm going to show you how to make a gang sheet that works perfect for Sunrise prints. So take a look at my screen here. Notice that we have the custom size. We're going to change this to inch, and we're going to go 16 inches by 72 inches to create our design. Now, one of the things I like to do when I get here is there's so much white I can't even see my screen. So I'm going to change this to a color that I don't use often. And now I can start my uploads. Now you're going to have a bunch of different size uploads, so you want to try to make these fit the best that you can. Keep in mind that you want to remove all the backgrounds and fit as many images as possible to make it cost effective. If I don't put the Cowboys on there, they'll get after me. So. Okay, we're going to remove our background because we don't want that white to show up. Here's another important thing too. Make sure you actually crop that image so that you have the right size. And then we're just going to size it. So I'm going to make this one 11 inches. And it looks like it'll fit better if I turn it sideways. It'll give me more room to do more images. Another one I have to remove the background on. Again, not a big deal. I'm going to size it again. Another 11 inches. Okay, my troll gets to be a little smaller. It's going to be for some spirit cats. So we're going to make him about 5.1 inches. See if we can fit him right in this little slot here. Here's another troll. Make sure they're not touching or overlapping. Let's get our Texas image up here. We're going to make that one for a smaller shirt. We'll make him about 9.5. Our bird's going to be a small one. And again, it doesn't matter if you fit 9 images or 90 images on here. The cost is still the same for you. So try to get as many as you can on these gang sheets. Now I've got one done over here, so we can have an example of what to do next. Okay, here's my gang sheet ready to go, 16 inches wide, 72. I'm going to share it. When I share it, I go to download, and I make sure this is over 2,000. Not all the way up because it'll be too big of an image. And I also make sure that I hit that transparent background button. And then I'm going to download it. Save it. And now we have our gang sheet. We open it up and we'll see that it has no backgrounds on it and it's ready to go. Contact me at Sunrise Prints 1000 on Facebook, or just send me a message in Messenger. When you finish this gang sheet, send it to info@sunriseprints.com. Info@sunriseprints.com, and send me a message that it's there, and I will print it up for you. Thank you for your time.